Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport SE. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 240 horsepower and 250 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. The bony leather interior. Come around back. Sport Land Rover Discovery badging. Opening up the tailgate. We got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, a push start ignition, or shifter, rear view back up camera, dual climate controls, cup holders. Collect a few more photos of this Land Rover Discovery. Check out feldmanimports.com.